Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the hyperploidy. Hyperploidy. Hyperploidy means the addition of, it is the addition of one or more, the addition of one or more chromosomes, one or more chromosomes to the to the chromosome to the complete set of chromosomes. Okay, addition of one or more chromosomes to the complete set of chromosomes. Complete set of chromosomes. So that is known as the hyperploidy. We already discussed about the hypoploidy. Hypoploidy, there is the deletion of one or more chromosome to the complete set of chromosomes. But it is the hyperploidy. Hyper means more. So there is the addition of one or more chromosome to the complete set of chromosome. It is known as the hyperploidy. Okay. So there are the three types of the hyperploidy. The number one, that is the trisomy. The second, that is the double trisomy, and the third, that is the tetrasomy. Tetrasomy. Okay. So these three types: trisomy, double trisomy, and tetrasomy. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about the trisomy. So the trisomy. Trisomy means what? It is the gain of one homologous chromosome. It is the gain or addition of one homologous chromosome. One homologous chromosome to the complete set of chromosome, or we can say that in the chromosome complement. In the chromosome complement. Chromosome complement means the complete genetical setup of that organism, that is the chromosome complement. Okay, complement. So in that chromosomal complement there is the addition or gain of one homologous chromosome. Okay, so we will draw here one figure. For example, the organism, it has the four chromosome. Okay, four chromosome. That means the diploid organism, it has 8 chromosomes. Okay, so the pair of homologous chromosome, it is one homologous chromosome, it is second, third, and fourth. So there are the four pairs of the chromosome. Suppose in an organism there are the four chromosome, four pairs of the chromosomes. Okay, so what happens? Sometimes there may be addition of one more chromosome, homologous chromosome, or any one of the pair. Okay, so that is the gain of one homologous chromosome in the chromosome complement. इथे काय झालं बघा, एका ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये सपोज त्या ठिकाणी 8 क्रोमोझोम आहेत, म्हणजे 4 पेअर आहेत. ओके, तर त्या ठिकाणी 4 पेअर जे आहेत, तर त्या ठिकाणी प्रत्येक पेअर मध्ये त्या ठिकाणी 2-2 म्हणजे होमोलॉगस क्रोमोझोम्स आहेत. तर ह्या 4 पैकी कुठल्याही एका क्रोमोझोम मध्ये जर एक होमोलॉगस त्यांच्यासारखाच असणारा एक होमोलॉगस क्रोमोझोम जर जास्तीचा असेल, एक्स्ट्रा असेल, तर त्या ठिकाणी त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? इट इज नोन ॲज द ट्रायसोमी. ओके, so this trisomy is denoted as 2n plus 1. It is denoted as 2n plus 1. Okay, it is denoted as, म्हणजे याला अशा पद्धतीने लिहिलं जातं. It is denoted as 2n plus 1. Okay, now the origin of trisomy. Origin. How this trisomy originates? Okay, so this trisomy, it occurs spontaneously in the nature. It occurs spontaneously in nature. It occurs spontaneously in nature. Okay, म्हणजे नेचर मध्ये हे अकस्मात त्या ठिकाणी ट्रायसोमी घडून येतात. But they can be produced. Okay, or they are produced as a result of. Okay, they are produced. How they are produced? They are produced as a result of as a result of the union of, or the fertilization of, or the fusion of, okay, that is n gamete with n plus 1 gamete, okay, n gamete with n plus 1 gamete. The n gamete means it is a complete haploid set of chromosome, and n plus 1 means what? We already discussed about how the n plus 1 produced. Okay, so n plus 1 produced, so any one of the chromosome, homologous chromosome, it shows non-disjunction. ते एकमेकापासून सेपरेट होत नाही इन द ॲनाफेज. ओके, ॲनाफेजमध्ये मिओसिस फर्स्टला त्या ठिकाणी काय होतं, क्रोमोझोम्स त्या ठिकाणी दोन दोन डुप्लिकेट क्रोमोझोम्स तयार होतात आणि ज्याचे दोन सेट त्या ठिकाणी ॲनाफेजमध्ये तयार व्हायचे असतात. पण त्या ठिकाणी काय होतं, तर या ठिकाणी नॉन डिसजंक्शन मीन्स these two homologous chromosomes, they do not get separated. Okay, so instead of the haploid, so there it produces n plus 1 gamete and n0 gamete, okay, or n minus 1 gamete. ओके, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये एक ॲडिशन असतो, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये नॉन डिसजंक्शन झाल्यामुळे, म्हणजे ते एकमेकापासून सेपरेट न झाल्यामुळे, तो या ठिकाणी वेगळा न झाल्यामुळे ते ॲडिशन इकडे येतो आणि याच्यामध्ये कमी होतो. तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला माहिती आहे नलिसोमीमध्ये n मायनस 1 हा महत्त्वाचा होता. आता इथे ॲडिशन असल्यामुळे n प्लस 1 हा महत्त्वाचा आहे. सो when the n gamete it is fused with n plus 1 gamete, okay, or there may be n plus 1, it unite with the n plus 1. That means trisomy, it unite with the trisomy. Okay, so or the we can say that triploids. Okay, triploids means suppose 2n, and when that means the gametes 2n, it unite with the n. Okay, gametes 2n when unite with the n, then these triploids they are produced. Okay, and so these they are produced when triploids are either back crossed or safe crossed. म्हणजे यांचं जेव्हा या ठिकाणी नॉर्मल डिप्लॉइड बरोबर त्या ठिकाणी जर क्रॉस झाला, ओके, when they are crossed with नॉर्मल 2n, ओके, किंवा त्यांची सेल्फिंग झाली, if there is a selfing, then in such cases it produces the triplet. Okay, so uh, uh, this 2n when it is crossed with the, sorry, it is not the case. Okay, so n plus 1 when these unites, okay, they produce the triploids. Okay, so this triploids, no, trisomies. Okay, so this trisomies, they are differ from the normal plant in having the reduced, this trisomic plants, they have the reduced viability. They have the reduced viability and vigor. Okay, म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी ते फार जोमाने वाढत नाही आणि त्या ठिकाणी त्याच्यामध्ये फारसं त्राण नसतो. व्हायबिलिटी म्हणजे ते जिवंतपणा, त्याचे चैतन्य आपण म्हणतो व्हायबिलिटी, तर त्या ठिकाणी तो विगर आणि व्हायबिलिटी त्या ठिकाणी त्यांच्यामध्ये नसते. सो दिस ट्रायसोमिक दे हॅव द रिड्युस्ड व्हायबिलिटी अँड द vigor. Okay, then these trisomics, okay, they are of three types. These trisomics, they are of three types. There are three types of the trisomics. The number one, that is the primary trisomy. Okay, the types. Okay, the types, that is the primary trisomy. Then the secondary trisomy and the tertiary trisomy. Tertiary trisomy. The primary trisomy means what? When the extra chromosome, it is when the extra chromosome is identical with the extra chromosome It is identical with the homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome. So that is known as the primary trisomy. Okay, we will draw here one figure. Suppose there are the two chromosomes here. Okay, it is the one chromosome and okay, it is the second chromosome. Okay, it is the second chromosome. So suppose this part is 1, it is 2, it is homologous, therefore it is also 1, 2, and it is 3 and 4, it is also 3 and 4. Okay, so when this added extra chromosome, it is similar to, when this added extra chromosome is exactly similar to this chromosome. Okay, exactly similar to this chromosome. That means this extra chromosome is identical with this homologous chromosome. This or this, whatever it may be. Okay, मग यांच्यासारखा असेल तर असा किंवा यांच्यासारखा असेल तर असा, पण तो त्या ठिकाणी कसा homologous यांच्यासारखा identical. So it is known as the primary trisomy. Okay, but the secondary trisomy. Secondary trisomy means what? When the extra chromosome is an isochromosome. If the extra chromosome is when extra chromosome is isochromosome. When extra chromosome is isochromosome, it having isochromosome means it is the chromosome which having the identical arm. Identical arm means what? Suppose for example we will draw some little difference here. Okay, so this 1 and 2 chromosome, it has the different arms. This one arm is different, second two arm is different. Okay, it is also 3 arm is different, 4 arm is different. But when the chromosome, suppose we will draw here one figure. Suppose it is 1 and 2. Okay, it is second. Okay, it is also 1 and 2. But this extra chromosome, it has the equal arms. That means it is also 2 and it is also 2. Okay, so it is known as the isochromosome. This chromosome is known as the isochromosome. Okay, so when this extra chromosome and these two are the similar here. Okay, in this genetical complement or chromosomal complement, this 3 and 4 it is as it is. But suppose 1 and 2, in this complement the extra chromosome is added, but that chromosome is isochromosome type. Isochromosome means it is the chromosome which having the two equal arms. Okay, that means we will discuss what is meant by isochromosome in the next topic. But just now we just you just remember that, you all just remember that isochromosome means it is the chromosome which having the two equal parts. Okay, that means there is no 1 and 2, there are only 2 and 2, or there may be the only 1 and 1, whatever it may be, but two equal parts, the two halves are equal. Okay, two halves are equal, so that is known as the secondary, it is known as the secondary trisomy. Then tertiary trisomy. The tertiary trisomy is what? when the extra chromosome, it consists of, when the extra chromosome, when the extra chromosome, it consists of, it consists of the segment of, it consists of the segment of, it consists of the segment from two non-homologous chromosomes, from two non-homologous chromosomes. So it is known as the tertiary trisomy. Okay. So we will draw here one figure. So here we will remove this one and we will draw the figure here. Uh, we will draw at another place. Okay. So here it is one chromosome. It is this second chromosome. So it has the two parts, one and two, one and two. Okay. So these are the two homologous chromosomes. Okay. And there is another two homologous chromosomes. So it is 3 and 4. Similarly here also 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So here 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4. Okay. Now here the extra chromosome which is added in this complement, it shows, it shows the additional part of the non-homologous chromosome. Okay, so it is additional chromosome. So this additional chromosome, it is from the another chromosome. Okay, so this part of this fourth chromosome, it is attached here. So it is one only part of this two, or it has the additional part, it is the 4. Okay, so it is known as the tertiary trisomy. It is known as the tertiary trisomy. Okay, so it is the part of the second. This second, it is only little part, and this 4. So it is known as a translocation. It is known as translocation. So part of this chromosome, non-homologous chromosome, it attached to this one. Okay. So such type of extra chromosome, it is known, when there is a present, then it is known as the tertiary trisomy. It is known as the tertiary trisomy. I hope you got the points. Okay. I hope you got the points. So what is meant by the hyperploidy? Hyperploidy means addition of one or more chromosomes to the complete set of chromosomes is called as the hyperploidy. Hyperploidy, there are three types: trisomy, double trisomy, and the tetrasomy. Then the origin of trisomy. The trisomy, it may occur spontaneously in the nature, and they are also produced as a result of the fusion of normal gamete, that is M, with the n plus 1 gametes, and they are produced, this n plus 1 gametes, they are produced as a result of non-disjunction of the homologous chromosome during anaphase first of the meiosis. Okay. There are three different types. These trisomies, they are generally reduced viability and vigor. There are three types. Trisomy are of three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. When there is a primary trisomy, okay, the extra chromosome is identical. When secondary trisomy, the extra chromosome is isochromosome type, that means it has the equal arms. And the third tertiary, it has the it has extra chromosome with non-homologous chromosome. Extra chromosome with the part of non-homologous chromosome, so it is known as the tertiary. Okay. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the examples of the trisomy. I hope you got the points. Thank you very much.